In today's video, I am going to teach you how to present Google Slides in Google Meet. Before you begin, make sure you have two things ready. First, open your Google Slides presentation in a browser tab and leave it on the slide you plan to start with. Second, open Google Meet in another tab so you are ready to join or are already in your meeting. Having both tabs prepared ahead of time will make the transition smooth and help you avoid searching for the file while others are waiting. Start by going to Google Meet in your browser. Once you are inside the meeting, look toward the bottom of the Meet window where the meeting controls are located. This is where you will find the option to present your screen. When you are ready to share, click the Present button. This is the control that lets you choose what your audience will see. After you click Present, a sharing menu will appear. From here, you will be selecting what to share with the meeting. Choose the option that allows you to share a specific window. This is important because it helps you present only your slides instead of your entire desktop, which can expose other open tabs or notifications. Now, a list of available windows will appear on your screen. Find the window that contains your Google Slides presentation. Click on that Google Slides window to highlight it, then confirm the selection to begin sharing. At this point, your audience in Google Meet will see your slides window. To keep the presentation clear, switch to presentation mode in Google Slides if you want a full screen view, and then advance through your slides as normal. Move between slides using your keyboard arrows or the on-screen controls in Slides. While presenting, try to avoid clicking away to other windows, since you are sharing only the Slides window and you want to keep the focus there. When you are finished, return to Google Meet and stop presenting using the on-screen control so your screen is no longer shared. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.